In this tutorial, we will create two objects using Swept Boss Base command. We will be creating this object and this object. Let's start with this object, Allen key. At first we will have to create a path. Click on sketch, select the vertical plane, front plane, and create lines. Right click, select. Now here the length is 60 plus 5, that is 65 and 20. Give the dimension, smart dimension, 65 and here 20. Then there is a fillet of 5. Click on fillet, give the radius of 5, select both the lines, OK. Then OK, again OK. So path is ready. Then we will have to create this hexagon of 3 edge length. For that we can use the bottom plane. Click on sketch again, then select the top plane. Then make it normal and create one hexagon. Polygon, click on polygon. Number of edges are 6. From the center, one horizontal polygon we will create. Give the dimension, smart dimension, edge length is 3. Then OK, OK. Now both profile and path is ready. Click on features, Swept Boss Base, select the profile, select the path, and OK. In this way this object is ready. Then again new. Next is this one. For this also we will at first we will have to create this path. Click on sketch, then sketch, select the front plane. Now here in this path at first we will create this circle and these two lines. Take the circle command, smart dimension, give it 5 radius, that is 10 diameter. Then create one center line. We need symmetric lines around it. For that we will create one center line. Then we will create two lines. From here one line, right click, select. And we will give the gap. Gap is 2.5 between the both lines. So at first we will mirror this line. Click on mirror entities, select the line, click in mirror about this axis, then OK. And give the smart dimension. Gap between these two lines is 2.5. Then length from the center is 100. Smart dimension is on. From the center to this end point is 100. Okay, zoom fit. Then there is a fillet of radius 10. Fillet, give the radius 10 is already there. Select the circle and this line. Okay, fillet is not taking place. We will have to trim it. Click on trim entities, remove these entities. Then again fillet, then select first line and curvature. Then this circle and this curvature line. Then OK, zoom fit. So this path is ready. Click on OK, again OK. Then we will create one plane here. To create the profile, click on features, select the plane, then select this line, select this point, then OK. Then again create profile, click on sketch, select this plane. Plane is already selected. Click on normal to. Then we will have to create this profile. create one line from the center and create one circle slightly away from the center on the upper side. Create one circle, then give the parameters. Radius is 2.5, that is 5 diameter. Zoom it. Okay, make it normal again. Drag this point, drag the end points of the line. Then we will have to maintain this 3.5 distance. And if we give it from the center, radius is 2.5, that means center to line is 1. So we will give that dimension, smart dimension, from this line to center of the, click on the circle, and the gap is 1. So in this way it will become 3.5, 2.5 plus 1 is 3.5. Trim the entities, click on trim entities, then trim to closest, remove the unwanted objects, then OK. OK. Now path and profile both are ready. Click on features, Swept Boss Base, select the profile, select the path, and click on OK. So this object is also ready. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.